Hey Bone Explorers, welcome to the Skeleton Crew. Ever wonder what holds you up when you're jumping, running, or even just sitting down? It's your amazing skeleton, the hard frame hidden right under your skin. Think of it like the frame of a house, but way cooler because it helps you move. Today, we're going on an adventure to discover all the secrets of our bones. Let's get rattling. So, how many bones are in your body? If you guessed 206, you're right. But here's a super cool fact. When you were a tiny baby, you had around 300 bones. Whoa, where did they all go? They didn't disappear. As you grow bigger and stronger, some of those smaller bones join together or fuse to form the bigger, stronger bones you have now. It's like a team of tiny bones deciding to work together to become one superbone. This process is called ossification, and it's what helps you grow from a little baby into a big kid. Your bones are always growing and changing, just like you are, at the ends of your long bones, like the ones in your arms and legs. There are special areas called growth plates. These are made of a soft, flexible material called cartilage. As you get older, these growth plates slowly turn into hard bone, making your bones longer and making you taller. Eating healthy foods with lots of calcium, like milk and cheese, gives your bones the fuel they need to grow strong and healthy. So keep munching on those good foods. Now, what do our bones actually do all day? They have some really important jobs. First, they give our body its shape. Without your skeleton, you'd just be a wobbly blob on the floor. Second, they protect your squishy, important organs. Your skull is like a built-in helmet for your brain, and your ribcage acts like a shield, guarding your heart and lungs from bumps and bangs. Third, your bones work with your muscles to help you move. Your muscles pull on your bones to make you walk, dance, and play. And finally, a really amazing job. The inside of your bones, called bone marrow, is like a factory that makes new blood cells for your body. How awesome is that? Let's talk about the biggest and smallest members of our skeleton crew. The biggest, strongest, and longest bone in your entire body is the femur, which is your thigh bone. It's so strong it can support up to 30 times your own body weight. Now, for the smallest bone, you'll find it deep inside your ear. It's called the stapes, and it's only about the size of a grain of rice. It's one of 3 tiny bones in your ear that help you hear all the sounds around you, from a loud shout to a quiet whisper. So you have a giant in your leg and a tiny hero in your ear. And that's a wrap on our tour of the Skeleton Crew. We learned that we have 206 bones that grew from about 300 when we were babies. They give us our shape, protect our organs, help us move, and even make our blood. From the giant femur in our leg to the teeny tiny stapes in our ear, every single bone is important. So next time you're running around the playground, remember to thank your amazing skeleton for all its hard work. Thanks for watching, Bone Explorers. If you had fun, give this video a thumbs up and follow for more cool adventures. See you next time.